ऑफ करा ऑफ कर। आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव के अंतर्गत आयोजित नवाचार और कृषि उद्यमिता विकास जनसंचार अभियान में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत और सभी को सादर नमन। साथियों, वर्ष 2018 से भारत सरकार ने अपने राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना रफ्तार यानी रेम्यूनरेटिव अप्रोचेस फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड अलाइड सेक्टर्स रेजुवेनेशन योजना के तहत उद्यम निर्माण की क्षमता रखने वाले कृषि नवाचारों को पोषित करके उनके द्वारा ड्रजरी मुक्त कृषि, युवाओं के लिए व्यवसाय या रोजगार सृजन और अप्रोक्ष परोक्ष रूप से किसानों की दोगुनी आमदनी जैसे प्रमुख उद्देश्यों के साथ कृषि एवं संबंधित क्षेत्रों के लाभप्रद उत्थान का लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया है। भारतीय कृषि को वैश्विक प्रतियोगी बनाने के लिए कृषि क्षेत्र में निजी निवेश बढ़ाने हेतु सरकार स्टार्टअप्स इकोसिस्टम के जरिए कृषि आधारित गतिविधियों के लिए आवश्यक संबल और लाभप्रद नूतन तकनीकों को जल्द से जल्द अपनाने के लिए गंभीर है। अतएव 29 पैन इंडिया एग्री बिजनेस इंक्यूबेटर्स द्वारा RKVY रफ्तार अंतर्गत चयनित अभ्यर्थियों के इनोवेशंस का डोमेन और फंक्शनल एक्सपर्ट्स द्वारा मॉनिटरिंग, वैज्ञानिकी तकनीकी परामर्श के साथ प्रौद्योगिकी सत्यापन, नवाचार के अनुरूप मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज, व्यावहारिक चुनौतियों को हल करने हेतु योग्य पेशेवरों से सलाह मशवरा एवं मजबूत व्यापार और वित्तीय मॉडल बनाने में उचित अनुदान सहायता प्रदान कर रही है। इस योजना में चयनित इंक्यूबेटर्स का सफर AOP यानी एग्रीप्रेन्योरशिप ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम जो 2 महीने का प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम है के साथ शुरू होता है और कई चयन चरणों यानी सिलेक्शन स्टेप्स के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए अनुदान राशि के अंतिम किश्त के साथ पूरा होता है। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि फरवरी 2019 से सिरकॉट एग्री बिजनेस इंक्यूबेटर RKVY रफ्तार योजना के तहत कार्यरत है। सिरकॉट रफ्तार API द्वारा संचालित उदय मैंने प्री सीड स्टेज यानी 5 लाख तक की अनुदान सहायता तथा अंकुर सीड स्टेज यानी 25 लाख तक की अनुदान सहायता कार्यक्रमों के तहत 2 कोहोर्ट अंतर्गत 46 नव उद्यमियों की स्टार्टअप जर्नी का साथी बन चुका है और आज तीसरे कोहोर्ट के लिए आयोजित AOP जो 23 सितंबर 2021 से शुरू होकर आज 2 महीने का प्रशिक्षण कालावधि के बाद पूरा होने जा रहा है, उसमें शामिल 13 उद्यमियों के स्टार्टअप जर्नी के साथ जुड़ने वाला है। आप सभी का इस समापन कार्यक्रम में पुनश्च स्वागत। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ हम परिषद गीत से करेंगे।
जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की, सुखद प्रतीक हरित भारत की। कृषि धन पशुधन मानव जीवन, दुग्ध मत्स्य फल यंत्र सुवर्धन। वैज्ञानिक विधि नव तकनीके, पारिस्थितिकी का संरक्षण। शस्य श्यामला छवि भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की। हिम प्रदेश से सागर तट तक, मरुधरती से पूर्वोत्तर तक। हर पथ पर है मित्र कृषक की, शिक्षा शोध प्रसार सकल तक। आशा स्वावलंबित भारत की, जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की। जय जय कृषि परिषद भारत की।
मैं डॉक्टर अशोक भारीमल्ला, पीआई सीईओ सिरकॉट आर एबीआई को स्वागतीय भाषण हेतु यहाँ आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Good afternoon, respected Madam, Director Secretary, and all the delegates, online and physical mode present here. This is our program on both hybrid mode and the validatory function. So, as a PI and CEO of this program, that is Archive Raftar, Sirkot RABI, I welcome Director Sirkot Sujata Madam to our function, and I also welcome all the honorable members of RIC, After Incubation Committee, Dr. Gotmar sir, Dr. Thakur sir, Dr. Bhattu Bachar sir present here. Other members are not joined due to some of their heart place. I welcome all the head of the divisions of this sector, this program, all the co-PIs and the mentors and the other people who are active of the staffs present here, and I welcome all the startups. Fast code, some people are joined from fast code, some are joined from second code also, and also the function for which we are arranging third code, all the 12 startups, bright startups, I welcome on behalf of the Sirkot as well as Sirkot RFA to this function. So with this, I am stopping here. Now the program will progress as per the schedule. Okay, welcome everybody.
मैं माननीय निदेशक डॉक्टर श्रीमती सुलता सक्सेना जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे थर्ड कोहोर्ट रिपोर्ट ऑन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम एंड इंक्यूबेशन कम ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम का विमोचन करें, ऑनलाइन विमोचन करें।
आप बताइए प्लीज।
This report of this AOP is released.
मैं सिरकॉट
थोड़ा देखा दो ना the content of this PDF.
ठीक है, स्लाइड सर। वही है ना पीडीएफ।
चलो फास्ट जानो, कंटेंट पेज देखा दो। This is the madam about RWA, introduction to third code, profile startups of third codes, schedule of AOP, feedback startups, summary of activities and portfolio. ये थोड़ा आपसे परिचय का अब भाई में क्या आप दिखाएंगे इसको क्या? And ये the from director's desk, then about RWA. चलो next चलो. Some of the focus area for startups. चलो. Then regarding pre-seed funding, how we are giving pre-seed funding, seed stage funding. Next, चलते जा. Third code का introduction, how we select them, and they are regarding all the, because it is official document, so we are keeping all the records as ministry is asking us. Then profile wise we have put spirit sets sitting with the next. So चलते रहेगा हाँ. You want farm next, then next we are putting like this. The next करके चलना. These are all the profiles. Then the schedule of overview we have here. Please wait there. We have scheduled this total agriculture program and incubation program into 4 quarters because 2 months program. What are the activities we carried out quarter-wise? We have also mentioned, and accordingly we have proceeded it. That procedure is part of this document. Next, these are the mentors. Listen, and this RKP Rockstar program is a mentoring and networking, mostly networking and mentoring, because it is not all the things, all the startup programs not coming under the mandate of a CIRCOT. So these are the honorable mentors to attend this and help us during this project, during this AOP. Then next. चल मैं बोलता हूँ इधर रुकने का. In this way we are proceeded all these things and keeping record in this here. Second quarter also sent. And during this time we have around 4 to 5 expert lecture, which are very beneficial to our startups. And 2 lectures are outside lectures, which are very important lectures. We kept Thakur has given the sensitized regarding the startup culture, how startups should sustain, and what they should do, what don't do, everything he has covered, which is liked by most of the people who have enjoyed that lecture. And another lecture we have was Santanu Chayani, is a credit officer of Bank of Baroda. He has taken around, the class was started at 11 AM and stopped at 2:30. Lot of sensitization has done during this period, and the people are a lot, and the people are now very much brave to approach the bank after his lecture. Next. Okay, from like this we have done all these things, and some feedback we also received. The feedback we have submitted to you, and what is the rate of the feedback?
9.5.
9.5 on an average, 9.5 in 1 to 10 scale. So now next.
So मैं अब सिरकॉट RABI के प्रबंधक श्री हेमंत लाडगांव गर्ग जी को यहाँ आमंत्रित करती हूँ.
Details थोड़ा देने की जरूरत है.
Yes, good afternoon to all. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, all participants and all dignitaries. Today I am here to welcome you all for this very active function. And as this is a post-lunch session, I will just briefly swift through the activities because I don't want to get you bored. So for that, I have just divided my presentation in 5 W's. That is why to conduct this program, because it's one of the compulsory criteria for our KUI startups to get the funds. Second thing is to familiarize the agri startups to agri business incubation ecosystem. Second is what happened during this program. During this program, the reorientation of innovative ideas that were submitted by the startups and their proposals were re-evaluated according to the market acceptability. Second is refinement of the MVP and prototype which they were having based on their innovative idea to increase its market acceptability. Third is preparation to face financial institutions to avail financial aids in future to sustain their business activities. And fourth is updating domain knowledge through expert sessions. Then third W is how the program conducted to get the startups acquainted with all the market possibilities. We conducted total 6 expert lectures, total 3 mentoring sessions during which they were mentored about their overall activities and how they should proceed as a business enterprise. And then 3 technical discussions to improve or refine their MVPs and to guide them how to convert their ideas into a potential prototypes, and 3 review meetings to assess their progress during this 2 months AOP. These are the experts which are involved. This is the list of the experts involved from ICAR CIRCOT, and I thank all of them for their guidance. This is the list of experts which are invited from outside. Mostly they are domain experts like banking experts, some IPR experts, some other special sector experts like horticulture. This is after that, after completion of today is the last day of this AOP, and we received feedback by all agri startups which were incubated, and I'm happy to share that all of them have gave us a good rating, and overall rating for AOP and incubation training program is 9.5 on the scale of 1 is poor and 10 is excellent. So we are happy to share that we got the rating of 9.5. Next. So I congratulate all the agri startups who have completed the AOP, and they might have going through the question that what is next after this AOP, what will be there. So I'll take a few minutes to explain what will be the next steps. So first is we'll conduct one rehearsal before the second RIC. Then presentations will be done before RIC for recommendation to CIC. The second RIC will recommend the worthy startups to CIC. Then before CIC, we will conduct 2 rehearsal presentations to prepare the startups to attend the CIC meeting or to appear before the CIC. Then CIC meeting will be conducted. CIC will recommend those proposals to RK division of Ministry of Agriculture. And then the Ministry of Agriculture will receive the sanction order. Then a MOA will be signed between CIRCOT RABI and those agricultures and so this will be your next steps. So that's all. This is the activities we have carried out during income training program. And thank you all, and best of luck to all agri startups to road ahead. Thank you.
धन्यवाद निगम जी। मैं अब थर्ड कोहोर्ट के माध्यम से हमारे साथ जुड़े हमारे 12 एग्रीप्रेन्योर्स को अनुरोध करना चाहती हूँ कि वे अपना संक्षिप्त में परिचय दे। हमारे साथ ऑफलाइन यानी हमारे साथ प्रत्यक्ष में आज उपस्थित है श्री अक्षय जाधव जी। आप कृपया यहाँ आए और अपना परिचय दे, अपने इनोवेशन के बारे में 2 लाइंस में सबको अवगत कराएं।
So you can share your feedback.
हाँ, अच्छा ना।
Good afternoon, one and all. Hello, startup. मुझे कुछ नया करने की चाह थी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में। सीवीड कल्टीवेशन एक ऐसा सेक्टर था जो महाराष्ट्र में पोटेंशियल है, बट अभी तक उतना डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ उसके बारे में। उसके रिगार्डिंग मैंने ICAR CIRCOT से अप्लाई किया और वहाँ से गाइडेंस के लिए अप्रोच किया। अंडर उदय एग्रीप्रेन्योरशिप के अंडर उनका बहुत अच्छा मेंटरशिप मिला, उसको नेक्स्ट लेवल जाने के लिए मुझे बहुत हेल्पफुल।
श्री विलास राजोळे. विलास राजोळे जी आहात का तुम्ही?
हो यस मैडम, आई विल स्टार्ट.
हाँ जी, आपके इनोवेशन बताइए.
My innovation plan is Tamari processing projects, and it is due to waste to value added products.
ओके, एओपी के दरमियान जो आपने लेक्चर सुने या मेंटरिंग सेशंस आपने अटेंड किए, आपको उससे कुछ फायदा हुआ? आपका जो
Yes मैम, डेफिनेटली 100%. पहले जब मैंने सिरकोट से पहले एप्लीकेशन किया था, तब मेरा लेवल, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एकदम 0 या 5% था. लेकिन जब सिरकोट से जुड़ा हूँ, तब से मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस 100% बढ़ गया है, 100% तक. यानी सिरकोट में जो हुआ, ट्रेनिंग हुआ, उसका प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे किया, बिजनेस कैसा, उसके टेक्निकल इश्यू क्या क्या आते हैं, बाद में बैंक के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, ये सब सिरकोट के दौरान मुझे पता चला.
जी, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.
ओके, थैंक्स मैम.
प्रताप सिंह चौहान.
Hello.
हाँ, बोला.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to everyone. Myself Pratap Singh Chauhan. I'm pursuing PhD in the Department of Agriculture Extension in Mahatma Phule Agriculture University, Rahuri, and we have proposed a one-stop digital agri solutions for this AOP in ICAR CIRCOT RABI. So basically, we will be providing digital services to the farmers in grape and pomegranate crop, and we have got a good opportunity to work with ICAR CIRCOT under this RABI program, and so we have got exposure and expert sessions were taken by ICAR CIRCOT, and the expertise and mentoring provided to us, which gave us a great boost. Thank you.
आपका मेंटर कौन थे?
डॉक्टर मूर्ति सर.
और डॉक्टर हुमांशु भी थे, जो आईटी इंजीनियर.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, बताया ना उनका नाम.
Yes.
दोनों मेंटर किए. ओके, हाँ चलिए.
थैंक यू. मिस्टर अक्षय पतंगे.
Thank you.
Yes, first a special thanks to ICAR CIRCOT for this for joining this program. It was a dynamic program, 2 months with systematic and timely session was there. Also, what were gaps in my presentations and how to make perfectly that badge grip, that my gaps bridged by CIRCOT expertise, and also session was useful and it helps to me for improve my project in coming days. Thank you very much. Thank you, CIRCOT.
धन्यवाद अक्षय जी.
Thank you.
अभी विनोद अटकारी जी, इनको मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ. ये सीड स्टेज फंडिंग अंकुर के आप अभ्यर्थी हैं हमारे. विनोद अटकारी जी बोलिए.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Vinod Atkari. We are developing innovative food grain storage silos for farmers and FPOs, consumers also. So during this 2 months mentoring session by CIRCOT RABI, it helps us to business vision and strategies. We acquired knowledge about compliances, regulatory compliances, and how to run our business effectively through this agri startup lecture, especially by Dr. Thakur sir. And one banking experts also guide us for how to go for taking loans and getting funds from banks. So in this all these expert lecture sessions, mentoring session, technical discussions, and also through review meetings, we discussed our problems and it gets solved through this discussion. So we are thankful from all of us from our startups. Thank you, ma'am.
धन्यवाद विनोद. प्रज्ञा राणे जी.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Good afternoon to all of you. This is a very happy moment for me because today 2 months of AOP training have been completed successfully, and really thank you so much to CIRCOT team for giving me such a golden opportunity to show my innovative idea. Thank you, respected Ashok sir, respected Hemant sir, Prachi ma'am, and also thank you so much Dr. Sharmila ma'am for giving me a proper and perfect guidance about my project. Thank you so much. Thank you.
धन्यवाद प्रज्ञा. Ravishankar Bhatt.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I am thankful to CIRCOT and Government of India for this wonderful program. This 2 month lecture program and the training session was really very good. Our concept or idea was, our MVP, minimal viable product, was natural stain remover synthesized using soap nut extract, and Dr. ASM Raja sir was our mentor, and all the session, all the expert lecture series was very good. The resource persons were very knowledgeable and all. Especially I liked the lecture from Sri Santanu sir. It was very lengthy or 3 hours talk, but it was every minute was very useful for startup like us, because if we visit bank about funding opportunities, nobody will tell clearly what are the funding opportunities available. So that type of lecture, it is an example, that type of lecture is really needed for startup like us. Once again, I am thankful to Ashok sir, all the staff of CIRCOT for organizing such a nice way. Thank you all the team members.
Thank you, thank you. अच्छा प्रज्ञा रानी जी, आप है ना अभी ऑनलाइन? आप अपना इनोवेशन बताना भूल गई और हम भी हमारी प्रशंसा में भूल गए.
Myself Pradnya Rane, my innovation is a naturally fortified and affordable baby food products. It's a baby food product for available or to all categories of customers.
Thank you,
thank you.
Gauri Khatpe ji.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself Gauri Khatpe, and my innovation is handmade cold process soap. It is a cold process soap, and this CIRCOT team, which lecture has conducted, it was helpful to us to improve our manufacturing product in a best way. Thank you so much.
आपका मेंटर कौन थे? आपको कौन ज्यादा ये किए थे?
Sorry?
आपका मेंटर कौन थे?
डॉक्टर सुजाता सक्सेना मैम.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Bhushan Girse. Bhushan Girse ji.
He joined, but he may not be available. Hospital क्या हुआ?
Okay. भूषण जी का इनोवेशन है, मैं इधर से बता देती हूँ फिर. Setting up a briquetting and pelleting plant using cotton stalk as raw material in Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, वो उनका इनोवेशन है. इरफान अली जी.
इरफान जी.
सर नमस्ते सर. हेलो सर, सुना रहा है सर?
सर बोलिए, हम सुन सकते हैं. आपका इनोवेशन बताइए.
सर नमस्ते सर. सर मेरा नाम इरफान अली बोलते हैं सर. मेरा invitation is sir, cotton seed degossification of cotton seeds mill sir is use of the poultry and fishery sir and cattle. रुमिनेंट्स एंड नॉन रुमिनेंट्स भी यूज होता है सर ये. और मैं बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि मैं ICAR CIRCOT मेरे कितना हेल्प की है. और सर सुना रहा है? हेलो,
नहीं दे रहा है. आपका इनोवेशन 2 लाइन में बताइए और आपको इस AOP का क्या फायदा हुआ वो भी बताइए.
क्या फायदा? बेटा मेरे इसकी वजह से मेरे बैंकिंग सेक्टर में क्या है वो पता चल गया और लाइसेंस के बारे में पता चल गया, FSSAI के बारे में पता चल गया मेरा, और एक्सपोर्ट और इंपोर्ट के बारे में पता चल गया। बहुत अच्छा तरह मेरे को पूरा कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं था इसमें पूरा तरह से नॉलेज मिल गया मेरा।
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद इरफान जी।
थैंक यू मैडम, धन्यवाद मैडम।
लता पारधी जी। लता पारधी।
पारधी सर, हेलो पारधी सर।
उनका क्या नेटवर्क इशू है? ठीक है, अरविंद गाडगे जी आप हैं क्या?
गुड आफ्टरनून, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
यस
बोला अरविंद जी।
Good afternoon. Regarding my innovation, I'm developing a desalinator, means a water maker for fishing trawlers, and this particular unit will be helpful for Indian fishermen as per Indian conditions. So we are trying to develop the component as per Indian conditions. This is my innovation. And regarding the different training sessions as conducted, I'm very thankful to CIRCOT RIB. Those are very, very informative sessions. Especially I will mention here Shailaja madams, because it was clearly come to know how to go, how to register for the patents, and regarding I have so many doubts regarding the product registrations. So all those my queries has resolved. And another thing, Mr. Thakur sirs, regarding the business enlightenment, that means we have clear-cut idea come to know where we are and where we have to proceed. Those are the very informative sessions, and I'm very thankful to those mentors, and also thankful to Ashok sir and Hemant sir, because they are continuously encouraging to get the maximum knowledge. So thank you very much.
धन्यवाद अरविंद जी। मैं अब सिरकॉट RABI रफ्तार उद्भवन समिति RIC के मान्यवर सदस्य जो हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन जुड़े हैं और जिनके अमूल्य मार्गदर्शन और समर्थन से इन स्टार्टअप्स को अपनी उद्यमशीलता के सपने को आकार देने में और आगे बढ़ाने में मदद मिली है, मैं उनसे प्रतिक्रिया जानने में उत्सुक हूँ। मैं सर्वप्रथम ठाकुर सर को इनवाइट करती हूँ कि वे कृपया अपनी प्रतिक्रिया सादर करें।
It is so nice to be today as a part of meeting. Respected chairman and all the members of this RABI Center of CIRCOT Mumbai. Actually, when I see the reactions of all these our members who are going to start their startup, it is giving me a lot of pleasure, and our all efforts are really going to bear a good fruits, and definitely we will be the program designed by the government of India and the success we are putting into that is definitely going to bear good fruits. I just say a good luck to all of you, because everybody of us as a team taking a lot of efforts to make the program successful. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर आपके आशीर्वचनों के लिए। मैं श्री गोटमारे सर को विनती करती हूँ कि वे अपने शब्दों में इनको प्रोत्साहन दें।
Thanks to all of you. CIRCOT RABI के all those people, those who are taking care of this program, Chairperson Dr. Sujata Saxena ma'am, the PI or CEO Dr. Ashok Kumar ji, and the business manager Hemant. I think these people have really done wonderful work. What I have observed, in nurturing this all young entrepreneurs, businessmen, by giving expert lectures, conducting mentor sessions, and asking them to attend a lot of technical discussion. I think looking into the response of these entrepreneurs, there is some joy on their face, and it shows that they are really coming up with quite a high success in the future. And I'm sure whatever they are doing today, it is a great help to the nation. I think they will definitely create a good job for all those who are near to their area. And this is a good, I think, social activity, what we observed. I think whenever they need any help from our side, we are always available. All my other colleague, Dr. Thakurji, Dr. Anand sir, they are really doing wonderful job. I am also having some textile related project where I will try my level best to do something unique for them. I'm sure we will have a great success to write the story of this activity in a near future. So I wish you all the best to them. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर। मैं अब डॉक्टर एस वस्त्राद हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं, डीन स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर एंड पीआई सीईओ कृषक, आरएबीआई यूएस धारवाड़, हमारे मेंबर है आरआईसी के
नॉलेज पार्टनर
और मेंबर नॉलेज पार्टनर वस्त्राद सर।
यस मैडम।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, बोलिए सर।
या good afternoon to everybody. Madam, thank you for being inviting the program of the Rabi third cohort of CIRCOT, and I am very happy that they have done a wonderful job of training as well as mentors, and probably both Ashok ji and Hemant as well as the chairman madam have taken a great work in terms of training the incubators who have been selected for this particular program, third cohort. And just listening to them, I can make out a very clear distinction between their presentations in the earlier RIC1, and of course they have really picked up the nonsense of startups and business entrepreneur skills, and I congratulate CIRCOT for this, and I once again thank you for inviting me for this particular program, and I wish all the best to all the incubators when they come for the RC meeting. Probably Ashok ji will complete all the formalities so that we can schedule this particular program at the. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, madam.
धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद सर। मैं अब निदेशक डॉक्टर श्रीमती सुजाता सक्सेना जी को अध्यक्षीय भाषण देने हेतु विनती करती हूँ।
Thank you, Prachi. Good afternoon, everyone. Members, honorable members of RIC, Dr. Vastrad, Professor Thakur, Dr. Gotmare, all incubators of first and second cohort, and also incubators for this AOP who have received this 2-month training. Team RABI, all mentors, and the scientists from the CIRCOT who have joined this program. Today is a proud moment for us when this 2-month-long training is completed, and with very good satisfaction from the participants. The objective of this training was to develop, to provide mentorship, to develop these startups who have some innovative ideas to develop into a full-fledged business. And from the feedback, it is observed that this AOP has been able to achieve its objective. Almost all the participants, they have given very good feedback, and this feedback was asked in terms of team interaction, though because of Corona, this personal interaction was missing, but still our team was able to make it up through their dedication and efforts. and people have received, could get the benefit of interactions. And there was also in terms of guidance in defining the idea or business concept, that and also improvement in domain knowledge, improvement in this marketing, and confidence to approach alternative fundings. And in all these approaches, this training had been successful, that is seen from the responses of the participants. Our Prime Minister has declared some programs like Atmanirbhar Bharat, doubling the farmers' income, Vocal for Local, and all these programs. The success of these programs depends on nurturing new innovations and prosperity through startups and new businesses. And these business incubation systems, these fill the gap, because our present education system does not provide much information about how to set up a business. And after people graduate from colleges, they search for jobs. And the aim of these incubators is that in place of searching for the jobs, they should be able to provide jobs. So in this context, this concept of business incubator is very important for prosperity of our country. And through this AOP and the outcome shown by these responses and feedback from the participants on the paper, as well as their oral feedback, it is understood that this AOP has been able to achieve its objective. And now the next task ahead for these incubators has also been told very clearly by the manager, Mr. Hemant. I congratulate all the participants, all the AOP participants who are graduating from this AOP, and I wish them well and ask them to prepare well for further lectures, and so that they can prepare their presentation. And I hope when these presentations will be coming in RIC, we will definitely see the difference, because when the first presentations were made, they were very raw. And this training, after this training and receiving all the mentorship, guidance in domain, and also this marketing skills, so we definitely hope to see some betterment. And we hope that after the RIC, further this will be, you will be giving training for how to present it to CIC. And for that you have to prepare well, because now since our RIC people, we all have been in your contact, so we know we have developed a bond. But when you are presenting in CIC, that they will not be known to you, and that interaction, personal touch, that will be missing. So you have to prepare now well for your presentation, so that you can put up your ideas further well in first in RIC and then in CIC, so that you will be able to get funding for your dream projects. And we hope that all of you, with support from our team, will be able to do it and achieve funding for your projects. So wish everyone all the best, and with thanks and congratulations to team RAVI. I again, I'm closing my talk with the, and also this here the support from RIC team, who have screened these proposals, and out of this raw material presentations, they were able to find out good ideas. And so I'm thankful to RIC team also, and also all those mentors, all these experts who have taken these lectures and have guided these budding entrepreneurs. So with all, I thank all of them and wish all these new incubators, going to be incubators, well for the coming presentations, and in their quest to set up their new businesses. Thank you.
Madam. मैं अब डॉक्टर शर्मिला पाटिल जी को धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव हेतु यहाँ आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Thank you, madam. Respected director, madam, all dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to all. It is my privilege to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. So I'll take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who was responsible and who has worked to make this training program successful. So at the outset, on behalf of entire CIRCOT RABI team, I express my sincere gratitude to our director, madam, Dr. Sujata Saxena, and all respected members of RIC, Thakur sir, Vastra sir, Anap sir, Gutmare sir, and Kadam sir for sparing their valuable time and also for their time-to-time guidance during this 2 months training program. Thanks would not be enough to all our special or invited mentors and invited speakers for accepting our invitation as well as sharing their expert knowledge with our incubatees, with agripreneurs, which has definitely helped them in defining their business ideas and also building their confidence. Most importantly, I thank all our 12 agripreneurs for being so sincere and enthusiastic during this training program. So without your active participation, this program could not be happened. So a big thanks to all of you guys. Some incubatees from first and second cohorts have also joined this validity function. So thank you all of you for joining. Here on my own behalf, I would like to specially mention a special thanks to our RABI and ABI team members who were literally on their toes since these 2 months to make this program more fruitful as well as effective. So thank you so much, all of you. Last but not the least, I thank you all of you for joining this valedictory function and gracing us with your august presence. Thank you all. So with this, I congratulate all our agripreneurs and incubatees for successfully completing this AOP program, and I wish them a good luck for their future endeavor. Thank you.
धन्यवाद मैडम। मैं अब एक कार्यक्रम का समापन होने जा रहा है। एक रिक्वेस्ट है, जो ऑनलाइन मोड पे हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, अपना वीडियो ऑन करें, हमें एक फोटो लेनी है, स्क्रीन फोटो।
गौरी मैडम और कौन है? हाँ
ये फाइनली
हाँ सब है। इतना सुशांत इतना धन्यवाद, आप सभी का धन्यवाद। राष्ट्रगीत के साथ इस कार्यक्रम का समापन होगा।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
धन्यवाद।
आधा घंटा पहले एक आधा घंटा ना
ये ऑफ करना बाबा
वीडियो